So you're thinking of selling your home? One of the most important things you'll have to think through is the disclosure document that you have to complete. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with eXp Realty. Disclosures are vital to ensure that you're safe during and after the sale. I highly suggest that you take a trip down memory lane and jot down all the repairs or big changes that you made in your home before completing the seller's disclosure form. If you didn't keep all the receipts, sometimes just walking into a room will bring up the memory of something that was done in that room, like repairing a broken window. It's really important that you do this early and get that form completed before the home goes on MLS and prior to buyers seeing the home. It's to your benefit to do so. We want the buyers to have reviewed the disclosures prior to making an offer. This will help ensure that the buyer doesn't back out from things they should have already been made aware of. In Arizona, it's the seller's responsibility to complete the form, not the agent's, so that the statements made come directly from the seller. This is actually a safety net for not only the buyer, but also the seller. Anything from whether you live on a golf course and any repairs or changes have been made to the physical property, to stating if there have been any lawsuits or judgments recorded against the property, are all disclosures that need to be made on that form. When you're selling, anything that has ever been repaired, replaced, modified, added, fixed, or changed needs to be disclosed. So if you painted walls, cleaned or changed the carpets, added new lighting, or fixed the water heater, disclose it. So if you have to ask if you should disclose it, the answer almost always is going to be yes. Over-disclosure is better than under-disclosure and will keep you out of the courtroom. You want the buyer to know anything and everything you know about the home that could have a negative impact on the desirability or price of the home. The form itself is long, but well organized, so complete it to the best of your ability. And it's been prepared by the Arizona Association Realtors legal team, so it covers everything they deem relevant. When you disclose properly, you don't have to worry about them coming back to you later telling you that they want to go to court or want to try to extract more money out of you. Obviously, you can only disclose what you know about the property. If there are issues with the property that you don't know anything about, then the buyer would have to prove that you did know about them and kept it from them intentionally in order to win in court. So protect yourself. Disclose, disclose, disclose.